Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are the first of the month, 1st of June 2026. And of course, on the first day of the month, we take a look at the market share for Windows. How many PCs out there have Windows 11 or Windows 10? So if we look at the data that we have now, continued climb for Windows 11, continued decline for Windows 10, which is what we should be expecting, basically. The Windows 11 operating system now sits at 71.7%. Windows 10 is at 26.36. So, it's undeniable that Windows 11 is now the majority of computers. Windows 10 is a quarter, so a little more than 1 in 4 computers are on Windows 10. That number, if it continues to decline, we'll see what happens with, as we approach October when the end of support exists for real now, unless Microsoft changes its mind. There are some rumors out there. One thing that also helps support these numbers is that HP has mentioned last week that, according to their own statistics, roughly 30% of HP users were on Windows 10. The majority, the 70% left, were on Windows 11. So it kind of is close to the numbers we see here. We know that the stat counter numbers are not super accurate, but I think they do reflect, the way the market share goes. And those numbers are probably not that far away, even though not exact, not that far away necessarily from reality. And with the HP announcement that 30% of PCs are running Windows 10, it's kind of close to the numbers we have here. So definitely Windows 11 is on a majority of PCs, and things continue to grow. What will be interesting to see this year also is the PC market. PCs have gone through the roof. Actually, I was looking at what was available on Amazon, and if you want to have something that is at a reasonable price, actually what you're buying is essentially PCs that have a little bit of older technology in it, so that the prices go down, because the latest RAM and the latest SSDs are just so expensive. So they're trying to find ways to still give us PCs that are reasonable in price, but at the cost of having older hardware, unfortunately, because of the price of these of the components. So that will be interesting to see if there is still a growth. The first quarter of this year, PC sales grew by a pretty good amount. So year over year, that means that PCs were selling quite well at the beginning of 2026, but that could change through the year with the price and the economy at the same time. So interesting numbers. We'll continue watching that month after month until we get to end of support in October for Windows 10, and see how it goes. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.